Control of sense organs. Controlling the sense organs helps in deepening the meditation and also finding peace. It is in this book, Meditation Practice Manual, written in 1981 and was revised in 2008. Aids for meditation. We have only one mind to bring under control, but there are many distractions to overcome to keep it calm. We have 5 sense organs and 5 motor organs. What sense organs do is they go outward and connect with sense objects. When eyes see the scenery, mind gets connected, becomes extroverted. Same way, hearing, tasting, touching and smelling. Then speaking, grabbing, walking, moving also drains energy. So control of sense organ is considered pratyahara, prati-ahar, withdrawing the senses from the sense organs. Pratyahar means sense withdrawal. In Zen meditation, they practice Zazen. What it is, just sitting. The purpose is, if body sits steadily for a long time, senses stop running outside. So first you have to stabilize the body, not moving it, staying in the same position. Later on, it would help you in controlling the senses. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna states that yogi who has subdued his body and mind should retire in seclusion and practice meditation. It means the purpose of controlling senses is to draw the mind inward. Contact of the senses with the sense objects stimulate them. Stimulated senses make the mind restless. A worldly person who cannot go into seclusion can still deprive the senses of indulgence. Watching TV, excessive reading, talking, gossiping, loud music and unnecessary traveling drain the energy. So control the sense organs, minimize the activity. We have 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 nostrils, but 1 mouth. See a lot, hear a lot, breathe a lot, but talk very little, eat very little. So if you use these senses wisely like this, you will definitely find peace.